Hello, my name is Serge Leblanc and I'm a technical support engineer with One Identity. This is my video on the installation for ActiveRoles Server version 7.2. In this video, we'll be covering the following: how to perform the installation, how to configure the ActiveRoles Server administration service, how to configure the ActiveRoles Server database, and how to configure the ActiveRoles Server web interface. So to get started, you open up the installation folder and then double click on ActiveRoles. This will bring up the installation wizard. Then you just read through the introduction, then click Next. Read through the license terms and then select to accept and then click Next. Now we are going to install the administration service, the web interface, and the console MMC interface. We are not going to install the synchronization service. This will be covered in another video to be released later. Read through the quick summary and then click on Install. Once the installer has completed, simply click on Finish. And this will open up the ActiveRoles 7.2 Configuration Center. Now, the first thing you want to configure is the administration service. So simply click on Configure. Then enter your password for the service account. And then supply the name of the security group that will hold the role of ActiveRoles admin. In our case, it's going to be administrators. And this is a new install, so we want to select New ActiveRoles Database. And then we want to create a database. So enter your database information. And for our installation, we'll name it ActiveRoles 7.2, but you can name it whatever you'd like. Now the encryption key backup. The encryption key essentially holds the method to encrypt all the information from ARS. We recommend securing this with a password. I will type in a password now. And also, once this file is created, we recommend that you move it off the ARS server in a secure location. Click Next. And then here you read the summary and then click Configure. And that is complete. Simply click on Finish, and now your administration service is configured and ready to go. If you click on Manage Settings, you'll see that it's getting ready. Once ARS is ready, this will turn to green, and you will be able to access the MMC console. Now, back to the dashboard, we are going to configure the web interfaces. Simply click on Configure. And by default, you want the administration service on the computer running the web interface. This is based on your environment. For this scenario, we're just going to go with the default. Click Configure. It only takes a second, and then now click on Finish. And if you go under Manage Sites, you see that your sites have been created and are ready for use. To learn more about ActiveRoles Server, please visit support.oneidentity.com.